Ready to boost your bank account with zero investment? Imagine making an extra $1,000 without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to make money online without any upfront costs. Here are 10 ways to earn $1,000 online for free. These methods are tried and tested, and the best part is you can start right now. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's something here for everyone. First up, freelance writing. Got a knack for words? If you love writing, this is a fantastic way to earn money. You can write articles, blog posts, and even ebooks. The demand for quality content is always high. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are your playground. You can find clients looking for various types of content. The more you write, the more you earn. Plus, you get to build a portfolio that can lead to even more opportunities. Next, try virtual assisting. Help busy folks manage their tasks and get paid. From scheduling appointments to managing emails, the tasks are varied and interesting. It's a great way to use your organizational skills. Then, online surveys. Companies like Swagbucks pay for your opinions. Easy money, right? It's a simple way to make some extra cash during your free time. Just sign up, start taking surveys, and watch the money roll in. Don't forget about selling stock photos. If you love photography, sites like Shutterstock are calling your name. Turn your hobby into a money-making venture. Every photo you upload has the potential to earn you money. Now let's talk about tutoring. Share your knowledge on platforms like Chegg and make a difference. Whether it's math, science, or languages, there's always someone who needs your expertise. It's a rewarding way to make money while helping others. Affiliate marketing can turn your content into cash with no upfront cost. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. It's a win-win situation for both you and the companies you promote. Try voiceover gigs. Many sites connect you with clients needing your talent. From commercials to audiobooks, the opportunities are endless. If you have a great voice, this could be a lucrative option for you. Try dropshipping. Partner with suppliers and sell products without handling inventory. It's a low-risk way to start an online store and make money. You focus on marketing and customer service while the suppliers handle the rest. Become a social media manager and help brands shine online. Create content, manage accounts, and engage with followers. Your social media skills can turn into a profitable business. With the rise of social media, businesses are always looking for experts to help them grow their online presence. Finally, consider online courses. Share your skills on platforms like Udemy and teach the world. Whether it's cooking, coding, or crafting, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Creating a course takes time, but once it's up, it can generate passive income for years. 10 ways to make $1,000 online for free. Each method offers a unique opportunity to leverage your skills and interests. The key is to find what you're passionate about and turn it into a money-making venture. Now go get that money, start today, and watch your bank account grow. The internet is full of opportunities waiting for you to seize them. With dedication and effort, you can achieve your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start making money online for free.